Innovative Kids channel.
Welcome to Innovative Kids. Discover essential classroom questions and answers that boosts learning and engagement. Parents, teachers, and kids, don't miss this valuable video till the end.
What is this picture about?
It's about a family picnic.
Can you name the parts of a plant?
The root, stem, leaves, and flower.
Why is water important?
Because it keeps us hydrated and healthy.
Who discovered America?
Christopher Columbus discovered America.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
How many continents are there?
There are 7 continents.
What is 5 times 6?
My answer is 30.
Can you explain photosynthesis?
Plants make food using sunlight.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Where do penguins live?
Penguins live in Antarctica.
What is the capital of France?
The capital of France is Paris.
What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter is the largest planet in solar system.
Why do we need to recycle?
To protect the environment.
How many days are in a year?
There are 365 days in a year.
What do plants need to grow?
Water, sunlight, and soil.
Can you name the colors of the rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
How do you spell elephant?
E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T.
What sound does a dog make?
A dog barks.
What's the sum of 8 and 7?
The sum of 8 and 7 is 15.
Can you describe your best friend?
My best friend is kind and funny.
How many seasons are there?
There are 4 seasons.
What is the boiling point of water?
100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
How do you say hello in Spanish?
You can say hola in Spanish.
What's the opposite of hot?
Cold is the opposite of hot.
Who was the first man on the moon?
Neil Armstrong was the first man on moon.
What do bees produce?
Bees produce honey.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dolphin.
What's the capital of Japan?
Tokyo is the capital of Japan.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to play with my friends.
Why do we brush our teeth?
To keep them clean and healthy.
Can you name a synonym for happy?
Joyful is a synonym for happy.
Who was George Washington?
The first president of the United States.
What's the largest ocean?
The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean.
Can you name the planets in our solar system?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
What is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest is the tallest mountain.
What's the largest mammal?
The blue whale is the largest mammal.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
Who invented the light bulb?
Thomas Edison invented the light bulb.
What does a caterpillar turn into?
The caterpillar turned into a butterfly.
How many hours are in a day?
There are 24 hours in a day.
What's the smallest country in the world? Vatican City is the smallest country. What do we use to write on a blackboard?
We use chalk to write.
What's the main ingredient in bread?
Flour is the main ingredient in bread.
How many sides does a triangle have?
A triangle has 3 sides.
What's the capital of Italy?
Rome is the capital of Italy.
What do you use to take a picture?
I use camera to take a picture.
How many months are in a year?
12 months in a year.
Who is known as the king of pop?
Michael Jackson is the king of pop.
How do you say goodbye in French?
We use au revoir in French. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.